So in this lesson we will learn about cycles, and from there we will learn about cyclic graph. Okay, now what is a cycle? A cycle is something like this, right? Now these number of vertices has to be greater than 2, because with 2 vertices there can be only one edge, and that can never make a cycle, right? Now you can say it can have parallel edges. So basically I am talking about simple graph, and by definition of simple graph there cannot be any parallel edge, there cannot be any loop, right? In the very beginning of the course I said it. So this is what a cycle is. Now a cyclic graph, say C is a cyclic graph denotation with n, which is the number of vertices, is something like this. If say I want to draw C6, so it will be something like this. Okay, so this is C3, this is C4. Okay, so I think this is clear. This is very easy. Now from here I will ask a question, whether C6 is bipartite or not. So in the earlier lessons we learned about bipartite graph. Now I have to say whether this C6 is bipartite or not. Let's see, let's determine. So this say R1, so R1 over here I put is connected to this and this, so it has to be S1, S2, S1, S2, and these two edges. Now this is connected to S, so it has to be R2, so R2. This what I am doing. If you don't understand, you have to watch my earlier video. So S1 and R2 are connected, so S1 and R2. Now R2 is connected to this, so this has to be S3 and is connected to R2. Now this has to be R3, because this is connected to S graphs vertices. So R3, these edges if I draw, S2 and S3. So yes, this is a bipartite graph, right? So in the earlier lesson, in the earlier video, I showed you how to determine whether a given graph is bipartite or not. So here it is given C6, so I determined whether it is bipartite or not. Yes, it is bipartite, because you can see there is no edge in between R set, there is no edge in between S set. Now the question is whether it is complete bipartite or not. Now I little bit change whether it is a complete bipartite graph or not. What is the definition of complete bipartite graph? Complete bipartite graph means there will be all possible edges from R to S or vice versa, right? Now the maximum number of edges are, so there are 3, so cardinality of R is 3, the cardinality of S is 3, so maximum R into S, which is 9 edges could be there, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges are there, which means this is not a complete graph, right? I hope you understood why it is not complete graph. To be a complete graph, there has to be these number of edges, so this number is 9 over here. That means this is the all possible edges, right? Now here there are 6 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is not equal, so that means it is not complete bipartite graph. Now whether it is regular bipartite graph or not. What is the definition of regular bipartite graph? The cardinality of R has to be equal to the cardinality of S. Well, in this case, yes, there are 1, 2, 3 in R and there are 1, 2, 3 in S. So that means this is a regular bipartite graph. So yes, this is all about cyclic graph, and a little bit of example with cyclic graph on bipartite graph. Now we will learn about regular graph. Okay, Well, a regular graph is defined as a simple graph in which all vertices are having equal degree. Okay, so what it means, so for example, I take this small graph. So this is something like this. So its vertex, this is a vertex and its degree is 2. This vertex's degree is 2. This vertex's degree is 2. So this is the regular graph because all the vertices are having equal degree. Okay. Now how a regular graph is denoted is R regular graph. Okay. So what is this R regular? This R stands for the degree. So in this case, this is 2. So 2 regular. Okay. So in this way we denote a regular graph, and by definition a regular graph is a graph whose all vertices are having equal degree. Now from here we can conclude, or we can come to a equation. If you remember, we learned the sum of all degrees of vertices where I is to n is equals to the twice the number of edges, right? So if I want to plot this, so what are the total number of vertices? Say n. Now in regular graph it is said that all the degrees are same. So say there are, so in this case it is 2, so it can be R, right? So this summation is basically n into degree of each vertices, that is why nr, which is equals to 2 into e is the number of edge. So basically in this way we can always determine the number of degree of each vertices in a regular graph with the number of edges and number of n, the vertices. So this is the kind of formula to remember. So any questions can be asked in exams, so you can directly compute the degrees of all the vertices in a regular graph. We will discuss about some problem statement on regular graph. The problem statement says, does there exists any regular graph, four regular graph of 6 vertices? Okay, so the question is asking, does there exist any 4 regular graph of 6 vertices? This 4 stand for the R, the degree of each vertex. So the formula that we learned, R equals to 2e by n, right? Now this R is here 4 and 2 into e is unknown, but the number of edges given 6, vertices given 6. So the value of e, the number of edges, will basically be 12. 6 into 4 is 24 by 2, so 12. So this is given 12. Total number of edges we find 12. Now what we have to check is, given are 6 vertices, right? And I am achieving there are 12 edges. So is it possible to have 12 edges with 6 vertices? The maximum possible edges are, there is a formula, right? NC2, which means 6C2, which is actually, if you count 6 into 5 divided by 2, which is 15. So this is the maximum possible number of edges we can achieve, and from here we see it's 12. So 15 is greater than 12, right? Which is okay. So yes, the answer is yes. It is possible to have a 4 regular graph with 6 vertices. This inequality check is very important. So this is how we determined it. Now for your practice, I will give you some statements. In the similar way, you can draw this. Is 3 regular graph possible with 15 vertices? You try at home and check whether it is possible or not. Another question, 8 regular graph is possible with 6 vertices or not? So try this. So I hope this is clear about regular graph and how to determine whether our regular graph with some number of vertices is possible or not. This is how we do it.